So you bought a new orchid and the blooms have all died back. Don't throw it out just yet. I'm going to show you how to repot it so the blooms can come back. And trust me, they will. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video so you can see the results. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more houseplant care videos just like this one. First, start by removing all the crusty moss. As you can see, it's super compact, so it's best to do this when the moss is still moist. The reason you should repot your orchids is because orchids tend to be sold with so much moss stuffed in the pot that there's barely any space for the roots to grow, which will eventually cause the roots to suffocate and die. When choosing a substrate for orchids, you need to think about their growing conditions. They are epiphytic plants, which basically means they grow on other trees. So with that in mind, having them potted in soil won't really do their thick roots any help. They need a well-draining and airy potting mix, like the one I'll be using today. Healthy orchid roots should be firm to the touch from the bottom to the top. So here, I'm just going to be trimming any of the roots that have any brown mushy spots on them. For the substrate, I'm using this Tropics in the City soil-free potting mix. It's infused with an organic fertilizer which will help promote new root growth. This mix is ideal for any orchid. It's super chunky with a cocoa-based potting mix, and it's perfect for any tropical plant, especially epiphytic plants like orchids. I will also link it down below in the description. And now for the moment of truth. This is 4 months later, and look at that, we have a bloom. Also, don't mind the photography skills. I had my sister send it to me since this is her orchid. But look at those healthy roots popping out of the top. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you on the next one.